This video shows you how to set a condition that shows or hides a sheet depending on if an expression evaluates as true or false. For example, you could create a sheet that is only available if certain values are present in your data. Typically, you should use an if function. In this example, we add the variable vShow. Then, in the sheet properties, in the show condition field, we add the variable we created. In another sheet, we create a button. We set the action with the variable. This sheet will only be shown if the expression evaluates as true. Let's label the button. It will say the sheet is shown when the variable is true and the sheet is hidden when the variable is false. As you can see, the sheet is now visible. When you click the button, the sheet is hidden. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.